Ever wondered how to make the most out of a solo cruise? Well, you're not alone. As the popularity of solo cruising surges, the desire to maximize this unique experience is on everyone's mind. Today we will dive into 6 essential tips to help you navigate the seas of solo cruising. Tip number 1, choose the right cruise line. Not all cruise lines are created equal, especially when it comes to accommodating solo travelers. Some cruise lines are more solo-friendly than others, offering dedicated solo cabins, events, and even eliminating the dreaded single supplement. Do thorough research before booking, and remember, the right cruise line can make all the difference. Moving on to tip number 2, pack smart. When you're traveling alone, you're the only one responsible for your belongings. Pack only what you need, and remember, most cruise ships have laundry facilities. A well-packed suitcase can be your best friend on a solo voyage. Next up, tip number 3, plan your days. With no one else to dictate your schedule, you have the freedom to do as you please. Take advantage of this by planning your days ahead. Whether you're a fan of onboard activities or prefer exploring the ports of call, having a plan can enhance your solo cruise experience. Tip number 4, stay connected. While solo cruising offers a great opportunity to disconnect, it's also crucial to stay connected, especially for safety purposes. Most cruise ships offer Wi-Fi packages, so you can keep in touch with loved ones and share your adventures. Scene script. Tip number 5, make new friends. One of the best parts of solo cruising is the opportunity to meet new people. Don't shy away from joining group activities or dining at communal tables. You never know. You might just make a lifelong friend. And finally, tip number 6, embrace the solitude. Solo cruising is a unique opportunity to enjoy your own company. Take time to relax, reflect, and enjoy the peace and quiet. Remember, it's your vacation, so make the most of it. In conclusion, embarking on a solo cruise can be a fantastic adventure. By choosing the right cruise line, packing smartly, planning your days, staying connected, making new friends, and embracing the solitude, you can truly maximize your solo cruise experience. Remember, the seas are yours to explore, and the journey is what you make of it. So set sail and enjoy the ride. Happy cruising!